How to reset accessibility settings on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here you will see the option for accessibility. Tap on that. Now, as you can see, there is no specific option to delete the accessibility settings, so go back to settings and tap on general and then scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset and then on reset all settings. Further, enter your passcode and then tap on reset all settings. Doing this will reset all your settings, including the accessibility settings on your iPhone. So, this is how you can reset accessibility settings on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.